finishing up the acoustic optimization of this particular instrument, and I'm putting just a little bit of stain on it so it doesn't look quite so new. I'm not trying to fake anything, just so it doesn't shine quite so brightly in white. Somebody before put very dark stain on it, and it soaked into the wood too much. I don't like to do that. This is just a very light stain of, I think it's the ingredients are potassium iodide, and it comes from, let's see. Hamel. And I dilute it just a little bit. And I'm careful not to get any on my skin. And then I wash my hands afterwards.
Why?
Because the potassium iodide, while it's not highly poisonous like potassium permanganate, it's not good for you anyway. So I try not to get any on the skin. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And this is just a light coating of it. It's not a lot to soak in. Come in. I'm enjoying your playing. Don't stop.
Thank you.
Somewhere over the rainbow. This is a cello, a viola, that had a very bad fake Italian label in it, saying that it was made by a well-known but not super famous Italian maker in 1848. No, it's a modern Romanian instrument. And it was probably made 10 to 15 years ago. But it's not old, it's not Italian. And this is just a very light water stain, so it doesn't look quite so white. Someone before put a very dark stain on it to make it look very old.
So it's only for the color?
Only the color. But you look on the outside, this is Romanian.
Well,
and it's well. This turns out yellow now. Or yellow golden brown.
Ah, beautiful.
And that makes it look more like a older wood. But I will put a label in it saying that I did the acoustic restoration and that it's Romanian.
Okay.
2000. Oh, I said 1890.
For 1 year and something. Like this.
And I can tell it. A new student cello with first notes. Sit for a couple of days and play on it, and then finish setting the string height on the bridge. Just a little. Pretty cello, no?
Mm-hmm.
Nice student cello. A J. Hyde Antique La Ancient. Strad model. Nice cello. Light. Plays easily. Don't know what it's going to sound like exactly, but it's not bad. Have to adjust the sound post again. Finish tuning the bridge. Should be a nice student cello.